How to fix set date and time automatically grid out in iPhone 11, 12 or 13. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, click on general and then scroll down, and here you can see the option date and time. Now click on date and time. If you set automatically date and time is grayed out, and if you want to fix this problem, then go back and click on screen time. After clicking on screen time, then scroll down, and here you can see the option change screen time passcode. Now click on it and then click on turn off screen time passcode. After turn off your screen time passcode, then go back and click on general and then click on date and time. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.